I want to give you an assignment today. I want you to go to all of my videos, if you can, and see how accurate I have been when it comes to price action. I've talked about Baby DogeCoin long time ago. And ever since this coin was launched on Binance and it pumped, I started doing TA for you guys, helping you guys understand price action, helping you guys understand support and resistance, market structure, when structure is broken, when can price reverse, and when can you buy again, or when can you DCA. Who are you in the market? Are you an investor or are you a trader? All of this stuff I've been trying to help you guys with. And today we are back from where we started. And you're asking yourself, what is wrong with me? What is wrong with me? I always keep investing or buying this coin and it keeps going to the downside. I heard one lady said, ever since she bought Baby Dogecoin, the coin has been going downward and she's losing money. It comes to this question: why are you buying Baby Dogecoin in the first place? What is a catalyst making you to buy this coin? Who is out there speaking to your ears that now is the time to buy this coin? Are you buying this coin because you want to become a millionaire, or you're buying this coin because you want to make more Bitcoin? Do you want to hedge against inflation? Why are you buying this coin? You should be answering questions why you are buying Baby Dogecoin. My videos is to enlighten you as to where price might be heading towards, either to the downside or to the upside. I try to help you analyze zones where price is going to be trading either up or down. And these areas are called key areas. Either we are in accumulation, or we are in an uptrend, or we are in a downtrend. At this point in time, we are in a downtrend for Baby Dogecoin. The question you should be asking yourself right now is, how far can this dip go? Or you don't care about the dip, you just care about buying this coin because you are so in love with the coin. Of course, I'm not just saying that this coin is a bad coin. I'm just trying to help you answer some questions that I think maybe you didn't answer before investing in this coin. As for me, I know when to buy Baby Dogecoin. I know where to take out profits from Baby Dogecoin. I know when to stay away from Baby Dogecoin, as I have been staying away from this coin recently. Not because the coin is bad or because the coin is somehow like, I don't know. But the point is, I invest only when I see reason to invest, and I get out only when I see reasons to get out. Same with when I'm trading. I'm more of a swing trader, and I try as hard as possible to analyze the market on the higher time frame. Look at structure. When market respect key structures, be it support or resistance, I tend to look at the next target to the upside, because that's how price has proven to be moving all the time. In today's video, I want us to look at the next move for Baby Dogecoin. I want you to pay attention to this video till the end. Don't only look at this video as me telling you buy this or buy that, or don't buy this or don't buy that, or when to buy this or when not to buy this. Look at this video as a means to make money from other videos. What I'm going to show you guys today is going to be the same thing I've always talked to you guys about in my previous video, and it's going to be key areas. Market structure. Structure is key. If say price breaks structure and price is not able to go and retest the structure, then wait, be patient, because price is going to go back to it. That's the structure where it's broken. But if you keep buying, ignoring the fact that until price go and break structure before you can start involved doing with test of structure, then you're going to find yourself losing money always. So if you're new on this platform and you really want to make money in the crypto space, I don't care whether you are in love with Baby Dogecoin, or you are in love with Floki Inu, you are in love with Ada or Dogecoin or Bitcoin or whatsoever coin you are in love with. All I do care is to help you make money while investing in those coins. So this video is not be just that. So if you're new here and you love to be seeing such content, then feel free to go and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this video with someone else out there. I know those of you who just want me to go straight to the point are gonna be, just go straight to the point. No, you are not the one who educate me about crypto or give me my knowledge. So if say you want to see me just go straight to the point, then don't ever come to my videos. Just go to someone else. You don't have to watch my videos. I'm here for people who are serious, not for people who just want to go straight to the point. Then why are you here? If you want to learn, then you have to make sure you pay attention to every details of what I say. Now, I want to show you guys two charts. The first chart is going to be when Baby DogeCoin was launched on Binance, and the second chart is going to be the normal chart that we all know. That's the spot chart. Okay, this is the spot chart, and I want us to begin with the chart when it was launched on Binance. So this is the chart when it was launched on Binance. This coin was launched on Binance on Monday, 16 September. Okay, but before it was launched on Binance, we saw this huge pump here to the upside the day before it was launched on Binance. Let me just go to the daily time frame. This is the week on Monday, on the 15th of Sunday, the 15th of September. This coin was it pumped to the upside, and after that it was launched on Binance on the 17th. Last year, the 17th of September. I think that was on Tuesday, not on Monday. It was on Tuesday, 17th of September. Then on let me see, on Monday, the 16th of September, that was when it started pumping. Then on Tuesday, the 17th, that was when it was launched on Binance. So the guys who bought here, the guys who were insiders, who knew, or maybe it was the exchanges that bought it. They bought it, here, and then they launched it now before you see other exchanges came on board and bought it as well. Then now retail investors took it up, then brought it down. Now those guys, or the guys who have been making money, guys who bought here, who were buying it at this point, at this price point. So these guys are the ones who have really made money. The guys here, some of them made some money when price get to the upside here, but most people who bought this coin at this point, at this area, or at this top, are now in loss, or their portfolio is down. Maybe some people bought it with so much money, but now they are facing the consequences. So I want us to begin with this chart. I think this is a chart. Let me see this one. Yeah. Now, this chart is somehow cool. I love it. Why? Because when this coin was launched on Binance, we saw this price action. Now, this price action was always going to happen whenever you launch a project on one of the biggest exchange in the world. See some sort of reaction in the market. Now, when price started pumping, like after this retracement, and we see another leg up, price started forming higher highs and higher lows. But at this point in time, price wasn't able to go and make higher highs. Like there wasn't any creation of a new high here. So the least thing we should expect is for price to actually break structure. So price had to break and get into this zone here. Now, when price got into this zone, I mentioned to you guys that we have vectors here. Price was still above here. Go to my previous video, you're gonna see. I told you guys that if say we see this price come right to this area where we have this volume profile. This is the POC, this area here, the POC. If price is gonna come to this area, then there's high chances that price is gonna get to the value area low, right? Because whenever price get into the value area high in the first place, like into this box, there's high chances that get to the POC, from the POC to the value area low, right? Now, also the volume profile is here, and the volume profile is clear when it comes to price movement and volume, because it speaks more into the volume of the market. Okay, so if say I bring in another tool here that I call the Fibonacci tool, I have to bring the tool and block it from where price started on Binance to where price ended. And you can see we have key zones here, key areas here, like the 0.5 zones, the 0.382 zones, the golden pocket. You can see the golden pocket is still here, price hasn't yet gotten that area. But I'm going to show you guys something on the other chart that's going to blow your mind even more. Now, let me take off this. I marked all of these zones, bringing the volume profile and the Fibonacci retracement tool. Now, what was interesting on this chart was these vectors here. These vectors means that the market makers are pumping price, and at the same time they are building short, so they are preparing to push price back to the downside to recover these losses that they made here when they were pushing price to the upside. So I was looking at this area, saying to you guys that they might come for this liquidity. They might come to grab this liquidity here, and they have grabbed all of this liquidity here during the launch on Binance. So coming now to this other chart, right? We are now looking at this on the daily time frame. Remember, I mentioned that this was the area that they, when it was launched on Binance, and now looking at the weekly time frame, what do you see? Look at this chart, guys. It's clear. Look at the pattern here. When this price was launched, or when this coin was launched, we see this pump, right? The market makers were playing, or they were involved in multiple zones. Yeah, they were involved here. You see, they pump it to 1 to 3 days. You see, 3 weeks. They brought price down. They took it again 1 to 3 weeks. You can see 3 green. They brought it down again. Yeah, this time around we saw just 2 green. But what we are seeing here is a pattern which is lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, and lower lows. Okay, that means there is a high chance that they can still bring back price down here to recover all of this vector before maybe taking it down again, down before maybe the break to the upside. I don't know. But this is what is happening or has been going on for a while now. When price pump, retrace, pump again, retrace, pump, retrace, and pump again. So what should we expect next? Looking at the higher time frame, again, we should expect the market makers to recover all of this vector, because they have been recovering all of the vectors in the past. Look at this one. They did eat all of it again. This one, they eat all of it again. This one, they ate all of it until price came right down and from this low, but price still closed within this range. So these guys, they pump, bring it back down, pump, bring it back down. So are we forming a pattern here? I think so. I think we are forming a pattern here for Baby DogeCoin, that if, say, you are a smart investor, you are going to follow my price action, my analysis, to make huge gains in this, with this bad boy. You can see there's this pattern here, that price is respecting, and if, say, you understand how to trade this, then you can make some huge gains from this. You can see clearly they are building this contract. They started building from the downside. Those who were buying here are the ones who actually really made money, and now we are more than half of where the move started. We are about to recover all of these vectors here. Now let's stay on the daily time frame a little bit and analyze what we can see here. Now on the daily time frame, you can see that this move here was huge. The first pump, that was which year, that was on the 17th. Okay, on the 17th we saw this pump when it was launched, and boom, look at how price moved again after a minor retracement, and price formed this this M formation here. And after the M formation, normally we're going to see price drop 3 times. So a 3 drop level for price. Now we have seen the first drop, we are in the second drop, we should expect the third drop. So what might happen here is price might attempt to go, like do something like this, then come and form the next drop. And the next drop, I think price do not recover at least half of this vector candle. Yeah, this vector, before we start seeing price maybe trying to form on that leg up, then form a new trend to the upside. So this is what I think might happen with the Dogecoin. Of course, guys, I might be wrong. I'm not always right, but 90% of the time I am right. And if, say, I'm right 90% of the time, it means I would have been making you a lot of money in the past. If say you stick to the 90% of my analysis, you might lose 10% or 20%. It's okay. But if say you win 80% of the time, then you are always going to be in a profitable market. So this is a zone that I think they can bring price here. How did I come about this zone, this area here? It's simple. I'm going to bring in my Fibonacci tool first from this area, or you see from this zone where the movement is from this area, yeah, right up to the top. Okay, right up to the top. Now you can see here I have this area that is called the golden pocket. Okay, price has already tested the golden pocket before, so there's high chances that if we see price come back again to this golden pocket, there's high chances that price might take us to the 0.786 zone. This line around, yeah, this line where I draw this vertical box here, and this is half of this vector candle. And another technique I want you guys to learn from this video is whenever you see a huge vector like this on the daily time frame, it's simple. Bring in your measurement tool, block it from where this week started, not the end of the week, but where the candle started and where it closed, not the week above. Look at the middle section. The middle is where they might recover price to or push price to. So that's why I had to draw this zone here, thinking that maybe in the future they might bring price to. I drew this zone long time ago. Again, go and watch my previous videos. So we are closer to that zone, and we have this liquidity here that they might come and grab. And if they grab this liquidity and we don't see price bounce back to the upside and go and make higher highs, like price should do something like this, break above at least, then hold this zone. Then I think we are going to go straight to this zone, to half of this vector here, which I think is doable. The next two you can bring here is the volume profile. You plug the volume profile from the bottom here to the top of that move. Okay, and what do you see? You see again this area where we have liquidity, so they can bring price there. And if say price break this zone to the downside, then we are looking at this zone. But now, for us to even see more clearer, we have to look at price where price is. So we go a little bit downward and we bring in the volume profile from that bottom to where price is now, the current price level. Look at where we are again. Still, price give us that same zone where we might expect price to head to, and price is sitting around the POC at this point in time. So isn't this some sort of coincidence that we are getting some sort of rejection at the POC? Because the POC usually stands as the point of control, like the point where if price gets to, either price is bouncing back to the upside or price is going down to the value area low. So these zones are key zones to me, and this has helped me a lot to make money or to be profitable investing or trading any coin out there. When I'm DCing any coin, I'm DCing the coin at the right time. Well, I might not say I can catch the bottom always, or like I am a genius in catching the bottom. No. What I'm trying to say is, if say I stick to my analysis, I'm always gonna be buying at the right zone. If say I'm losing, my losses wouldn't be that significant. So that's what I'm trying to convey here. So, in a nutshell, what I want you to learn from today's video is this: when you are investing in any coin, you should understand at least some fundamentals and TA. Fundamentals and TA will help you understand price action, what is going on that project, who is buying, when they are buying, who is selling, when they are selling, when can you get involved? Because guys, you're here to make money. Okay? If you're here to make money, then you should be buying coins at a price that will make you money. Just like you are a seller, right? Or you are a buyer and seller, you go to the market and you buy products, that you cannot sell. or you buy a product and the product gets to a price where you can sell and make money, and you don't sell, you watch the price of the product dump to a certain level where you cannot sell again. You have to be able to ask yourself honest questions and be able to answer those questions. And if say you are someone who want to be part of a community that you are always going to be ahead of the curve, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and join my VIP group. My VIP group, I give you what I'm buying, when I'm buying it, and when to take out profit. At times, you have coins that I'm not holding. I can chart those coins for you and then give you zones where you can buy, sell, and take out profit. This is the main goal here in this industry: when to buy, when to sell, take profit. If say you are not there yet, then you are lost in the space. You are going to be giving your money to these market makers for nothing, because they are running a business and their business model is to make money from you. They want to see you sell at a loss so they can make money from you. That's the game here. So if say you are strong, if say you focus, if say you have a good strategy, a good plan, you are always going to be making money long term. You might make some bad mistakes short term, but trust me, long term, you're going to be making money. So make sure you join my VIP group. The link is found at the description of this video. Go there and you're going to find the links to join my VIP and also to join my free Telegram group. Having said this, see you in the next video. Bye bye, ciao, and stay safe.